Hey guys, what's up? It is Sunday afternoon here at Porter Valley Ranch. This video is going to be called Some Things That I Wish I Knew Before I Got Into Raising Goats. We raise Ibex, which are mountain goats. That means they are jumpers. They're crazy, they run, they jump, they go through things. So I am showing you the real side of goat farming. All these YouTube channels want to show you their cute little goats that they pet and raise and all these things. This is the real side of goat farming, is that you have to give them shots and wormer. Today we're giving our goats some wormer and one of them has to get a shot of Covexin. So catching them is kind of like a rodeo. Also, I played music at church. I played bass guitar at Solace Church in Berry Hill, Oklahoma. When I came home, it was raining, but it has to get done today because I have to work all week. So I am out here by myself. It's about 45 degrees. It is raining. I am wrestling, wrangling, and injecting and drenching goats. That's real life on a goat farm, and this is Porter Valley Ranch. So this is real life at our farm. This is Beckham. He's one of our new Ibex. We call him Beckham because this horn is bent. So we got him. He was kind of malnourished, I guess is the word. So we've been nursing him back to health. Since we've got him, we can already tell that he's got a lot of good horn growth. He's fattened up a little bit. Seems to be in a lot better condition. So what we're doing is working. Just want to make sure that we keep him healthy, keep him fed, all those things. Buddy. You're okay. You're okay. Here. So when you have a goat, you can check their mouth, kind of look at their teeth, but also look at their gums. You want to make sure they have some pink in there. So if they have some pink color, that means that they're doing okay. If it's real white, extremely white, then they might have parasites or worms. So you want to make sure and take care of them with that. This is Ivory. Put your hat around. No. This is Ivory. She is about 3/4 Nubian Ibex. You can see her leg coloring is really good. Her color is good. She's a little nervous right now. She's a really pretty girl. Her sister, on the other hand, came out pretty much all black. It's kind of crazy that they're twins and they are different, but her coloring's better. You want them to be light with the leg markings. someday, this is going to be a sorting pen. It's going to be a little easier to do what I'm doing here today. This is not ideal setup for what we got going on, but it works. You're doing okay. Real life farming. Don't buy goats. They're crazy. They hurt you. To be very quick, in very good shape, very tough, because they jump and kick you and hit you with their horns and squirm. And when you're done, your back hurts because they jump and twist all the time. So, just my advice. Don't get them. Get miniature horses, something like that love you. I don't think these guys love me most days. I know they do, but they sure don't act like it. Kind of like kids. They are kids.